So how is Austin preparing for a potential spike after Thanksgiving? We are hoping to get some answers this morning to that question and others.
And that's why we invited Stephanie Hayden with Austin Public Health on our show this morning to talk about that. Good morning.
Good morning.
I know your time is precious, so I want to get straight to what many parents are asking this morning. By tomorrow, the Austin School District should decide whether all students should be 100% online because of an expected surge, or can they go back to campus. You, as the health authority working with the city of Austin, what is your advice? Should students return back to the classroom, or is it not safe just yet?
Well, I think that as far as the Thanksgiving holidays are concerned, we really urge people not to gather with people that you don't live with. And if you follow those basic principles by not gathering with people you don't live with, you tend to stick with the safety measures that we have established. So it is going to be important that folks don't gather with people that they don't live with.
Right.
The other thing that is, really important is we're hoping that people will create new traditions. Because if you create new traditions, and I understand, we have a lot of folks that have been using things and working virtually. Our hope is that we continue to establish those traditions by working virtually, but also doing your new Thanksgiving traditions virtually. That is the safest way, and that way you are able to reach out to loved ones, get things set up so you can work in that space. And so our hope is if individuals are not gathering with others that they don't live with, that they are establishing new traditions, doing things virtually, then that will put us in the safest position, because education is our top priority.
Absolutely.
And
And
we
your
really
message.
want students to be in school and to get the education that they need.
Your message is very clear. You've said it from the very beginning. Create new traditions. Don't gather. When we look at airports, we look at Austin's own airport, people are gathering. So is it your advice as the Austin Public Health Director that students should be kept home if we see a surge after Thanksgiving?
Well, the best thing really to do, if you know that you have taken your family to gather with other individuals, I recommend that you reach out to the school and have that conversation with them, because you can go and be with others, and then what we have not been seeing. We've not been seeing infections because of school-to-school infection. But what we have been seeing is infections that are caused due to extracurricular activities, and parties at home. And so if parents know, or, even as a teacher, that you may have potentially put yourself at risk, the best thing to do is to contact the school and have that conversation with them.
Dr. Hayden, I want to ask you about the vaccine process. If I am vaccinated, am I still going to be asked to practice social distancing and to wear a mask? Or at that point, is our community going to be in the clear?
No, we want you to continue to wear your mask. We would also like for you to social distance, because our goal is that we want to make sure that we get enough people to get the vaccine, to get us in a safe place. And according to the information, and it's always subject to change, we're not anticipating that we will have most of our community to receive that vaccine until the middle of next year. And so we really want folks to continue to social distance, to continue to wear your wear your mask, and stay at home if you're not feeling well. So those same preventative methods that you've been using, we want you to continue using those.
Okay, middle of next year, not this spring potentially, with our community being vaccinated.
Right. Dr. Hayden, I know we're running out of time, and our producers are wanting me to get this question in quickly. Why is it safe for athletes, student athletes, to continue on with practice and not others gathering?
Well, the extra curriculum is a decision that the schools can make. But what we will offer the schools when we've talked with them is this is the safest way to do it, because we will provide you what is the lowest risk, what is the highest risk, but here are some tips that could keep you safe.
So just advice, just a recommendation. The decision is ultimately up to the school district?
Yes, it is.
All right, Dr. Hayden, talking with us this morning. We really appreciate your time. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.